Hi, I'm Layla from The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives. I've been thinking about getting my boobs redone. I've just wanted kind of a fresher look, more fitted to my body. I'm a mom of 2 kids, but I'm only 24, so I feel like this is me kind of reclaiming my confidence.
Our plan is we're going to remove the high profile implant, replace it with a moderate profile implant. We're going to move it back up to where it needs to go. Then we're going to do a lollipop breast lift to bring everything back up. Results take about 6 weeks for them to drop and settle. Stay tuned for part 2. You're going to see her after results. It's going to be incredible transformation.
Honestly, I love the results already. I'm obsessed. I feel like I'm healing really good too. For only being like 2 weeks post-op, I feel like I'm pretty like mobile and I'm not in a lot of pain. They look amazing already for doing 2 weeks, but they still need to like drop and fluff and kind of, you know, relax a little bit. My muscles are definitely freaking out a little bit right now, but already for how soon I am post-op, I feel like they look really good. So I know it's just gonna get better. I think my biggest thing is I have a really small band size. I'm like a 30, but then when I had my bigger boobs, I was a double D, so nothing fit me right. Because I'd have to buy a size extra small to fit me on top, but then my boobs were spilling out of whatever I was wearing. So to be able to buy the size that correlates to my boob size is great. And I can actually wear things off of the rack. I'm really happy so far for only being 2 weeks out.
Hey, how you doing? You look amazing. Yes, look at this. This is fantastic. Wow.
I love them.
This is bizarre. I've not seen healing like this fast in 2 weeks, like ever, honestly. So we're here 2 weeks out from Layla's operation. Remember, we did a series of things to improve the appearance of the breast. Amazing result already at 2 weeks, you guys. Okay, so we went down on the implant size. We went from 355 down to 250. We went down on the profile. It was moderate plus profile. We went down to moderate profile. We did bilateral pocket repair. We used Galaflex mesh to kind of hold up the sides. We also used the mesh in the actual breast tissue itself to maintain stability. This at a 2 week result is absolutely phenomenal. She's doing great. I mean, you can see the difference of how she's fitting in this bikini. How do you feel so far?
Gosh, so much better. I feel so confident. I just feel so much lighter. My posture's better.
Yeah,
so
I can tell you like already standing up.
Yeah.
What's one thing that surprised you about this whole process, would you say?
I think how easy you guys made it.
Okay.
I feel like coming from out of state, I was nervous to like come here and like have to not see you, but coming back now and like being able to see you again, I feel like you guys have just made this process so easy.
Awesome.
So,
well, I'm glad to hear that. Is there anything you want to share with somebody out there who's thinking about getting a breast redone?
Just do it. If you are second guessing it or if you're not happy, just do it.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thanks so much for sharing.
Thank
You look great. Keep up the good work. We're not starting massage yet. We might start that week 6. We're just doing a lot of management of the scar, which she doesn't really have a scar at all. We did that lollipop lift. And then maintaining no lifting for 6 weeks. Careful with like heavy doors and stuff like that. We got to have general precautions to protect that repair. All right, cool.